son. Give me my money.
Whoa, man, whoa. Here, you got it. Yo, give me your money.
Hey, I ain't giving you my money. What's I'm doing.
What? There's your stuff.
Hey,
Take it. Get out of here.
Hey, where's my money?
What money? I have no money.
Hey, you said. Come
I
on,
have
man.
no money.
You said you would give me the money.
All right, here.
Hey, give me my money.
Okay. You went to the movies today with Jason?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'll catch you later. See you.
Bye. Where's my money?
What money? I have no money. I have no money. Oh,
Need your boots closed and can I say,
for God's sake, please.
okay, please.
Are you from Ireland?
Hey,
Are you here alone?
no, I'm not here alone. Donkey!
Hello? Hold on a second. Bye. Deuces. What are you doing here? I'm the secretary.
Yeah, I'm just doing this. She's dead.
Yes, can I help you?
Oh, hey, yeah, you can help me. Get out of here.
Don't tell me to leave my own building.
Don't.
Oh.
Hey, yo. Got the money?
I ain't got no money. I ain't got no money.
Give me money.
Hey, Jason, watch this. I'm Air Jordan.
You look like dead Jordan to me. Here's that. Hey, get in here. Whoa. Dropping the Cosby kids off at the pool?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you don't sink them.
Too late.